Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making chicken wings. And usually you make chicken wings in a deep fryer, but most people don't have a deep fryer. And some people do it on a stovetop. It gets really messy, but there's a better solution to this, and I will show you how to do this. So let's get started. Alright guys, here I have 2 cups of flour, and we're going to start adding some seasonings to this. And the first thing is this chili powder. It's going to be about a tablespoon of chili powder, just to give it a little heat. Then we're going to add paprika, about a teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Alright, once you got all that in there all together, just mix it together with your hands real quick. Just stir it around. And always make sure we add our salt and pepper. Alright, now this is going to be called like dredging the chicken. So now what we got to do is we're going to put more salt and pepper on our chicken over here, just to give it more flavor. You have to season everything. Alright, mix this up a little more salt and pepper. Alright, now we're just going to start throwing them in the flour here. And then we're going to put them on our sheet pan I have over here to the side. And then with your sheet pan, make sure you put a little bit of oil in there so it doesn't stick to it. Alright guys, so I have my chicken laid out here, and we're going to throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Now if you're doing it in a deep fryer, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to make chicken wings, so this is a little bit longer, but it's not going to be as greasy as it would be in a deep fryer, and this is a little bit healthier than having it in the deep fryer. So we're going to put it in the oven. 45 minutes later, I'll show you what it looks like, and it'll be done just like this. And there we have it guys, they are baked, and now we're going to start making our sauce. Alright guys, in order to make this sauce, I have a half a cup of the honeybee honey right here, and this is the summer clover I'm using, and this stuff is awesome. So we're going to use it in our sauce today. So I have it measured out right here, and then we also need 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Now we add our 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And then our half a cup of honey. And we'll stir this right up. And then we're going to put our wings right in there. Take them right off the sheet tray, throw them in there, and let's stir them all together. Alright, now that we mixed them all together, we're going to throw them back on the sheet tray again. Alright, now we're going to bake these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're going to turn up the heat to about 450, and they will be ready, and I'll show you what it looks like when they come out. And man guys, would you look at that? This looks freaking amazing. These came out awesome. I am so excited to be eating these. These look awesome. So I'm going to show you how to plate these up a really simple, easy way, and then that's it. Alright guys, so when we plate them, you just put them on a nice plate like this. And man, these look amazing. Alright guys, and that looks freaking awesome. Look how good that looks. I am so excited to eat these. These look fantastic. Alright guys, that's how you make baked honey barbecue chicken wings. And the honey that I used today was from Burt, and his company's called honeybeemade. And it's this stuff right here, which is awesome. I hope you guys check him out. I have it right up here. Please give him a check out. His description will be down there as well below. And you guys need to check him out. Just try his stuff. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. It'll be right there. And you guys have an awesome day.